Good morning, this is your English class for today. The objective of the class for today is to talk about things that didn't happen in the past. Okay, we continue to work with the past. Okay, the past simple tense we have in two ways to work with the past. Okay, and the first is with the verb to be. Okay, you know that the verb to be was and were. Okay, when we use was and when we use were. Remember that we use was with the third person and I. Okay, and were we use with you, we, and they. Okay. For example, if in positive is they were friends, it's in negative is subject plus was not or were not. Okay. They weren't friends. Here we have the negative, weren't. Wasn't were plus subject plus the complement is in questions. Okay, this is a little mistake, okay? Here is, the correct is to write here. The correct way to make a question with verb to be is were, they, that's were they friends? This is the correct way to 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 make a question with the verb to be in past, okay? Okay, remember the question mark, okay? Were they friends? This is the correct way to make questions, okay? Let's see. Oh. Simple past in negative. Use a simple past negative to describe things that didn't happen in the past. In negative past action, verbs use didn't plus base form. For example, I'm sorry, I didn't call you last week. Okay? Here we have the word didn't, the auxiliary didn't. Didn't. If you put didn't, the verb is in the base form. At not after was and were, make a contractions. Okay? For example, the weather wasn't good. And note, change can't or can't to could or couldn't in the past. Remember that can is in the present and couldn't is in the past. Okay, here we have some activities and chart, and you have to complete the chart. Complete the grammar table with the words in the box. Couldn't, didn't, happen, and weren't. Okay. Simple negative. Use a simple past negative for things that didn't happen in the past. Okay, it's the same that the last chart that we saw. Okay, and then we have a practice. What did Marcos' family do when he was sick in bed? Write sentences in the simple past. Okay, first is already do. Marcos' brother went shopping. You have to know the past of the verb. Okay, of the verb and the regular and irregular. Second, his mom and dad walk. This is a regular. Walk around the town. Marco's sister is irregular. Go, went. Okay. Mom took a lot of photos. They all ate pizza for lunch and we had an amazing time. Okay? And then here we have to choose the correct words in Marco's history. On the last day of the vacation, I felt okay, so I got out of the bed, okay? It wasn't very late, so I didn't have breakfast. Here we have is was. Is was. Here we have the word was. It was very late, so I didn't have breakfast. That was really nice, and he drove or didn't drive us the island. He drove us around the island and we swim in the ocean. When we came back it was late, so the stores were closed, but we ate ice cream and it was delicious, so it wasn't all bad. Okay, thank you for coming to your English class for today. Remember to study the regular verb and practice in your English book.